वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji are travelling further towards east, spreading the name of Lord and preaching to people to do good. While on their way, Bhai Mardana Ji got extremely hungry. He told Guruji the same, and Guruji would say, "A little more, and we shall reach the town." In this way, Bhai Mardana Ji would go on for another mile or two. Then again, when Bhai Mardana Ji would say he is hungry, Guruji gave the same answer, and they would keep on walking. After a point, Bhai Mardana Ji couldn't take the hunger, and he said to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as written in Sri Nanak Prakash, "Mam sarir pa balte hani, mrit hoye pareo rahe कहथाना, सब बिद मैं निर्णय कर जाना, कीन खुदाए अब है मृत मोरी, जग जीवन ते टूटी डोरी." Meaning, I don't know how you don't get hungry. We have not eaten anything since days. I don't have any more energy left in me. I feel like I would die with hunger here only. And you will keep on walking. Guruji laughed, and while talking, they reached near Patliputra. Patliputra is now known as Patna. Patna is capital of Bihar state in India, and it holds great historic importance as well for Sikh history. It is the birthplace of our 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Now, on the outskirts of Patna, Guruji and Bhai Mardana Ji rested under some shady trees. Guruji told Bhai Mardana Ji, "See, there is a town hardly at any distance from us. You can go and eat there." But Bhai Mardana Ji said, "I don't even have a single penny on me. How will I buy food?" Then Guruji picked up a red stone from the ground there only and gave it to Bhai Mardana Ji and told him to sell it and buy food with the money. Bhai Mardana Ji again walked and firstly went to a vegetable shop and asked the owner what could he get for the stone. The owner said, "I can only give you 2 carrots for this." But Bhai Mardana Ji moved to the next shop. Further, some shop owners offered a piece of cloth or sweets and more. But Bhai Mardana Ji didn't sell it, as he believed in his heart that this stone is given by Guruji. This must be of great value. And at last he reached Salis Rai's shop. He was a jeweler. His assistant, Bhai Adrakha, was there. He called his master to meet Bhai Mardana Ji as he wanted to sell something. When Salis Rai came, he asked him where he was from and what did he wanted to sell. Bhai Mardana Ji said, "I am from Punjab and my master has sent this stone to be sold." Salis Rai examined the stone and realized it was a diamond. Then he gave Bhai Mardana Ji 100 gold coins and said while returning the diamond, "This is the price for having a glimpse of this invaluable stone. You take this money and let me know if you really want to sell it, what price can I offer?" Bhai Mardana Ji happily took the diamond along with the money to Guruji, forgetting all about his hunger. But Guruji said it is not justified to keep the money when we have not sold the diamond. return it. Bhai Mardana ji always followed Guruji's hukam. He was dead tired and hungry but walked again to Salisrai. But Salisrai said no. I can't keep it. It's for having a look at this invaluable stone. Again, Bhai Mardana ji walked to Guruji. This happened twice. And lastly, Bhai Mardana ji threw the money in his shop and came back. Then Salisrai came himself. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens to the hunger of Bhai Mardana ji. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.